Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Are you having trouble with your Hisense TV not picking up channels? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll guide you through some simple steps to fix this issue and get you back to enjoying your favorite shows. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your antenna or cable connection. The first thing you want to do is make sure your antenna or cable is securely connected. Unplug the antenna or cable, then plug it back in firmly. A loose connection is one of the most common causes for this issue. Step 2. Select the correct input source. Next, ensure your TV is on the correct input source. Press the input or source button on your remote and select either TV or antenna, depending on your setup. If it's on the wrong input, the channels won't show up. Step 3. Perform a channel scan. If the connection and input are correct, it's time to perform a channel scan. Here's how. Press the menu or settings button on your remote. Navigate to channels or broadcast. Select auto scan or search for channels. Let the TV do its thing. It may take a few minutes to find all available channels. Step 4. Check the signal strength. If you're still having issues, check your signal strength. Some Hisense TVs have a signal strength indicator in the settings menu. If the signal is weak, try repositioning your antenna or using a signal booster to improve reception. Step 5. Update your TV firmware. Another reason your TV might not pick up channels is outdated firmware. To update, go to the settings menu. Select System or Support. Choose Software Update and follow the on-screen instructions. Keeping your TV software up to date can resolve bugs that affect channel scanning. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If none of the previous steps work, you can try a factory reset. Be warned, this will erase all settings and preferences. Go to Settings, navigate to System, and select Reset. Follow the prompts to complete the reset. Once done, perform a channel scan again. Conclusion. And that's it. With these steps, your Hisense TV should be picking up channels again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Got any other issues or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.